I'm Jane Mudd, and I'm proud to represent you as your Police and Crime Commissioner. It's my job to make sure that you get the best possible service from Gwent Police. I want to make a difference to our communities and build trust and confidence between the police and our residents. Since I was elected in 2024, I've been visiting communities across Blaenau Gwent, Caerphilly, Monmouthshire, Newport and Torfaen, and asking, what do you want to see from your police force?
More police on the streets.
Reduce crime.
Tackle antisocial behaviour.
About social victims.
Protect vulnerable people.
You've told me what your priorities are. Now I want to tell you what I will do for you. My Police, Crime and Justice Plan sets out what I aim to achieve over the next 3 years. Preventing crime and antisocial behaviour, making our communities safer, protecting the vulnerable, putting victims first, and reducing reoffending. This is an ambitious plan, but I am confident that it will make a difference to our communities.
A difference for people like us.
Gwahaniaeth I bobl fel ni.
People like me. मेरे जैसे लोग.
People like me.
People like us.
And for people like me.
I want to thank everyone who's taken the time to speak to me and my team over the last year. It's the conversations that we've had, the surveys you've completed, and the feedback that you've given that has helped me create a plan that I believe will create a safer Gwent for us all. It's our plan. And by working together, we can make a difference for our communities. And the work starts now.